In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stock in Zoho Books. Whether you're managing a bustling inventory or just starting out, keeping an accurate count of your stock is vital for your business. And with Zoho Books, you have a seamless platform to track and manage your inventory effectively. So let's dive right in. First up, we need to enable inventory tracking. This is crucial because it's what allows Zoho Books to monitor and manage your stock levels. To start, navigate your way to the settings, which you can find by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. Once there, look under the Preferences section and select Items. You'll find yourself on the General tab, and here's where you'll see an option for Enable Inventory Tracking. Check that box. This step ensures that your system can track every piece of inventory you add, manage, or sell. After doing so, click Save to confirm these changes. Now, let's move on to adding a new item to your inventory. On the left sidebar, you'll notice an Items tab. Click on it, then select Items. You'll find a plus new button nestled in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click that. Now you'll be prompted to select an item type, and you should choose Goods. With that selected, you're ready to enter all the details about your new item. This includes the item's name, as well as its sales and purchase rates. Be sure to fill in any other details relevant to the specifics of your business. Having this information handy will not only keep your records neat and tidy, but also facilitate quicker transactions when it comes time to sell these goods. Next, we need to input the opening stock for the item. Begin by checking the box that says Track Inventory for this item. By doing so, you activate the monitoring capabilities for the product, allowing you to always know what's on hand. Now, in the Inventory section, fill out the opening stock. This is simply the quantity of the item you currently have available. Don't forget to include the opening stock rate per unit, as this gives you a clear picture of the value of the stock you're holding. If you have predefined goals or thresholds for inventory levels, you might also want to fill in details about your inventory account and reorder point, if applicable. Finally, once all this information is properly filled out and reviewed, click Save. This step finalizes the process, and now your new item, along with its opening stock levels, is successfully added to your Zoho Books inventory. And there you have it. With these steps, you've not only learned how to add stock in Zoho Books, but also set the foundation for effective inventory management. Keep your records accurate and up to date, and you'll find managing your stock a breeze. Thank you for joining today, and happy inventory tracking.